Welcome back to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today we're taking a quick look at this awesome accessory we offer for the sidecar of your Ural, the rear bumper. So it's a very sturdy construction, very robust. You can see here it mounts, how it mounts to the sidecar. It's a very straightforward installation. And you can see how cleanly it matches the lines of the sidecar and the great protection it offers. And now let's take a quick look at what you get right out of the box from us. So we have the bumper itself, and then the mounting hardware, and even these nice end caps to go in each end of the tubing here to seal that off from the elements. The powder coat finish is very thick and very nice. I think it's a very sleek design as well. It fits the rear of the sidecar perfectly. And you can see the welds are really nice as well. If you look at some of these welds on the brackets here. So very thought out, very high quality product, made in the USA as well. And we see with the mounting hardware, this is very high quality, stainless steel, nice Allen bolt here, and then even a nice locking nut, so this won't rattle loose on you. And now that you've seen these parts, let's find out where we can get them and check out the listing on our website to get familiar. Here's the listing on our AlphaCars online store. You'll find it's very easy to navigate with its straightforward layout. We can see here, next to the photo gallery, we can see up-to-date pricing, any product reviews, so you can see what other people have to say about this product, and then a feature we're proud to offer, which is the option to show the full cost with installation here at AlphaCars. So we can see we just check that box there. This is really a convenient and time-saving feature when trying to calculate all the costs involved with a particular item, and little to no other online retailers offer this function. So now, moving below the photo gallery, you'll find a nice description which highlights the product's features, specifications, any vehicle fitment details, and then links to any installation instructions if they're available. So now that we've seen this listing on our parts website, let's get back to the bike. So we can see the awesome aesthetic it adds to your Ural. This Ural does have many other accessories on it, including our accessory receiver. As you can see, there's a bike rack in it right now, which that can also be found on our parts store. So this has just been a quick look at the construction and how it looks on a 2021 Ural Gear Up. With that, I hope this video was informative. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing so you don't miss any more content. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. And until next time.